What's up guys, Cody from KHC here today, and man do we have a video for you. Our customer just dropped off his Ford Super Duty F350 Platinum Edition here at the shop. But what are we going to be putting on this bad boy? We have a 3-inch BDS Lift kit, dual steering stabilizer kit with Fox 2.0 performance shocks. He's gonna have Fuel's D679 wheels wrapped in Nitto Ridge Grappler 37-inch tires. Now we're not done yet. We're gonna wrap it up with Oracle's RGB Rock Light kit along with Edge Evolution's CTS3 tuner. Now, we're wasting time here, so let's hop in the truck and get it on over to the shop for the guys to start working. Well guys, here it is. Here is the F350 that we finished for our customer over here. And may I say, I absolutely love the transformation it went through. From a complete stock F350 Super Duty Platinum Edition on bone stock wheels to now having fuel wheels, BDS lift kit, Oracle RGB rock lights, and don't forget the Edge Evolution tuner. The guys absolutely killed it over here at KHC, and I can't wait to see the look on the customer's face when he picks it up. To end it off, guys, if you guys don't mind leaving us a like, a comment down below what you think about the F350 build is, and don't forget to follow us on all of our social media channels, and we'll see you guys in the next one.